my video. This is my first video on my new account, Roblox Gaming, because I like playing Roblox. Okay, I'm in the update where the egg hatched. Well, it's not there anymore, but there's this chest. You go right there, and then it will lead you to the purple team. And then if you click over here at this branch, it would bring you up. And you press this, and you would collect the chest and like some stuff. Okay, and now I'm just gonna like start doing stuff. Oh man, yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna show you my boats. So first, I'm going to show you my Titanic. It's not designed as Titanic, but I made it kind of like. I just called it the Titanic. And okay, so after it's done loading, so oh, it's still loading. Okay. Okay. So there's my elevator. Right here is my kitchen. Then I'm just gonna test them out. So, yeah. And, okay. I am going, I'm just gonna sit down here, I guess. So I'm gonna launch the boat. Okay, so I'm sitting down. Okay, I am launching now. Okay, I'm sorry, this will take a while. So it would be nice if you liked this video and maybe subscribed. You don't have to if you wouldn't like to though. So yeah. What I first did was oh yeah, because I was in share mode and then they deleted my boat, so I had to redo it so it doesn't look that good. So yeah, so like yeah. And there's here, I have no idea what I should put here. So if you want me to like build something here, leave what I should build down here in the comments. So yeah, so I could actually build something down here. See right here. Oh, okay, I'm going to, and okay, I'm going to go up. I tried to design this as an elevator, but I didn't actually make it. I made it like an escalator that only goes up. And okay. Oh no. Let me go. And then, so if I was in PvP mode, I would get this. Okay. And it'll shoot me backwards if I go like this. Oh no. Or would it shoot me forwards? Oh, it shot me forwards. I was so close to dying. Okay, yeah. So if you want to, just comment down below what I should play next. If you have suggestions. Like I know lots of games. Like, this is a 2 mil update for my favorite game. This is Build a Boat for Treasure. And Yeah. Did I really get stuck? No, I got stuck. My boat's stuck. I actually got my boat stuck. My boat stuck. It was too long. Oh. Well, okay. Oh, it just got more stuck. It got off and then it went back up. So I'm going to reset to show you another boat. Okay, I'm going to transfer to a different team. Okay. Going to go to black team. Okay, so I'll make one. I have 150 gold blocks, so no, wait, let's PvP with this person. I'm going to make my base. Wait, first, I'm gonna do something real quick. I'm gonna build a wall. We need do it. Actually, no. I'm just gonna build a base for him and then for me. Mine is going to be metal blocks, of course. Oh, I have 3,000 of those. Oh, I have almost 4,000 of those, but I have 3,000 of these. So I'm gonna build my base right here, and then I'll build his base next. Yeah. Okay. Too long. I can't do it. Wait, What is wrong? I have 3,000 of these. Oh, I need to reset my character. Because this happens to me sometimes. Just have to get used to it. And, okay, now I have to do that. There it is. Okay, let me redo my base. I'll make it, this long. A little more. Are you serious? Well, I didn't even know he was in there, but luckily I went like that. Because I would have thought he left the game. Okay, so, I have 1,463 left of these, and it says I only have 236. So I'm gonna reset my character again. Chill Through needs to update the game because that happened since I even played this, and I've played this since 2017. Yeah, okay. Okay, I'm going to decorate this boat. And so, yeah. Okay, there. Okay, please stay. It doesn't say that anymore. I didn't mean, I meant to go to my skill tool. Are you serious? This person is so annoying. I'm going to leave his team and don't let him join. Well, I'm just going to show you my... I guess we're not going to do that anymore. I'm just going to show you my battleship, and then it's going to be the end of the video for today, and I'll repost tomorrow. So I was building this boat, and then this person had the audacity to actually take off my blocks and then make my things. I forgot what they're called. We'll rescue things in case my boat sank, and it was time to evacuate my lifeboats. So, and then I saved it. What the heck? Why is there a chair right there? I probably messed that up. Well, here's my thingamajig. And yeah. So I messed up right there. I just broke my stairs. Okay, I don't know what this is back here. But in here, I know what it is. This is just... Well, goodbye. I have no rules for this, and this is just this. Okay, if you like this, please subscribe. Or just comment you liked it. You know how to like or subscribe. I guess I'll see you in the next one.